What is going on, everybody? We done an Instagram poll the other day for you guys to choose whether we do YouTube alongside the Instagram, and you guys said yes, so here's the first video. So if you're not following the Instagram, click wherever it is on the screen. We want to hear about your cars, so comment down below, DM us. We want to know what your plans are with the cars, as we're going to be showing you our builds and whatnot. So yeah, it's going to be a good year. Let's get to it. Tell us, come on, tell us.
We've got my bumper off. New bumper's here.
Oh shit, don't worry, this isn't getting released before yours.
Yeah.
Oh,
new bumper's here. This is a top secret front bumper. We've got to figure out what I'm going to do with these indicators from this front bumper, because it's totally different to how I thought it was.
Right.
But also, we have to angle grind these bits here, because that is where these
the vents,
two air intakes go here.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you buy fiberglass bumpers, bro. You've got to fucking change their stuff.
Okay, so if you guys ain't already checked out Jordan's channel, he's got this R33 Skyline. Go check him out, I'll link him wherever. I'm with Liam.
What's happening?
Come on. So yeah, he said it's bad.
In a haystack though.
Yeah, all he gave us, bearing in mind we don't know this area, he just told us it's outside of school.
Wow.
Oh, there it is. You guys wait, we're gonna reveal this to you right now. Yo, wait. Oh snap.
Oh, it's there. I was like, where, bro?
Alright, let me reveal it to you guys. You ready? Yeah, boy. So this is an EJ, which they do the EK in this shape, which is the VTEC version, which has a B16B. So the plan with this one is it's gonna have engine swap. It's gonna have the manual swap, because right now I don't know how to open it up. Oh, he took the door cards off.
Took one off.
He took one door card off. Alright, we didn't do that the other day. We stripped the rear out. Can't really see. I think you have to. Yo, I don't know how this car works.
Oh, man, you had a Honda, man.
I had a Honda, yeah, but I didn't have a boot like that.
Oh yeah, you had a Delso.
So we stripped that. I started breaking all this side off.
Yeah, as you can see, Josh done this side, and I done this side. So
done
this
that.
side is completely stripped, and then.
So yeah, so the plan with this will be engine swap. It's like I said, it's auto. Let's get it started. You see, you have to turn it, let it prime up. Oh, she fires up. So yeah, like we were saying, the plan. Oh, where do I grab?
The bottom.
Yo, this is a hazard right here. What? Oh, how do I work this car, man? So yeah, like I say, the plan is to do the engine swap. We're gonna go, I don't know whether he's going B series, K series, we'll find out at a later date, but we need to do the manual swap. It's gonna have that. We're gonna have a rear cage. As you see, there's no point stripping these out and not putting anything. That's a death trap, that. So, well, I've never driven an auto before, to be honest with you. Well,
It's not hard, bruv.
No,
Look,
but the
you
window
put your foot on the brake.
Hey!
Fucking no. Can't see nothing.
Trust me. I'm like on this side, John.
Alright, sweet, the window regulator's broken.
This car, man. Bro, this is
It's a bit peppy, this one.
We've got no fuel, bro.
Oh, don't. I'm not pushing this to the workshop, man. No, that way.
Man, let's do a U-turn.
You sure it's not one way? I think it's a one way.
Oh, it's a one way as well.
Oh, well done.
Why is he doing bits like that? Oh shit. I skipped about 6 gears. Man skipped about 6 gears then.
Lot of mercy. Oh,
so yeah, just stay tuned, man. This thing is gonna be crazy, man. We've got another build that we're not gonna reveal yet. Brakes work a little bit. Yeah, so we've got another build that we're gonna reveal soon. I've got my Mini, which we're putting a B18 C4 in. 2019 road trips, everything's going on, man. I'm so excited. So excited. It's gonna be crazy. Oh, look who's arrived. Young G2. Come on. He's saying. Yo. Big plans for this. Big plans. 2019. Trust me, just know 2019 is our year. If you ain't following him, check that out. Follow G2 Skirt Instagram. It's just all going on. finally on. Let us know the clearance. I'm going this side. Nicho, you get that side. Yeah, innit? Yo, you could hit speed bumps, whatever speed now.
Bring it back.
Oh, man's gonna. Yo! Yeah, she flashes! Little vlog camera. Jordan's leaving us. Bumper's all fitted now. He's gonna head off, clean the car, get a few bits, and then we'll probably be back to just add the last little bits to the bumper.
Yeah, man, you're alright, you're alright. Yeah, man. Oh, shit, boy.
Yeah, boy! So a hell of a lot more stripped out now. The actual door cards are actually off this time. Front door cards are all off. Let's get around here. We ripped all the carpet up. Found out there's quite a bit of water down here. So once we get all this sand deadening and shit up, we'll have a little look at it, see what the crack is. It feels solid from underneath, so it should be pretty sweet anyway. It was mostly all in the carpets, but you know, yeah. I think we are going to do the side windows in plastic, but I don't know if we're doing that right now. I don't think Nicho's got all the bits on him to do that. Yo, hold up. Do the door. Shut the door. Wait.
I'll do it Vinnie Jones style, yeah?
Yeah, go on. Oh!
Oh my.
This dickhead.
Yo, what's the boot, man?
Yo, that's actually sick, man. That's sick, bro. Rev it. Give it a little blip. Okay. Alright, so we're going to get some plastic for Nicho's windows. We're going to smash them out. Put the plastic windows in Nicho. We're going to race car on this one!
We're just going to have to hold it like that, bro.
Oh, yo, how are we going to get that in here? Oh, it's going to cut off my head, man.
Tuck it underneath the seat, tuck it by the seat.
What?
Go down now, go down.
Yo, it's going to cut my neck up.
No, you're blessed. Rotted.
Oh no.
Yeah, this is going to chop up my head.
Go underneath it like that.
Yo, who said minis aren't practical? Yo, minis are.
Right, lads.
Hold up. Yeah, mate. Cheers. It's how T-Show do it, I guess. Oh, mate.
Nicho, I'll leave you right.
Oh, just like that.
Just like that, yeah.
Smash. Smash.
Sweet.
That's another smoky customs job.
Go on. Actually,
No,
Yo, so Jordan's just come. I'm gonna tell you now. His video is gonna go up before mine, but he's had a new bumper fitted. The bumper looks fucking sick. Like,
It does,
honestly,
doesn't
it changes the car so much. So I'm gonna show you. He just went off and he basically put some mesh in like where the grill area is and whatnot. And look how sick it looks, man. Like, it just transforms the car so much, man.
Yeah, and it's the same diamond cut shape that was up here as well, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
Just look at it from here, man.
Fucking fire, bro.
Yo, like,
I love it, man. Real talk.
that is so mad. So much better, man. I'm so glad that you've actually done that,
Top
honestly.
secret front bumper.
Literally.
By the time I've got this on, I'm about 400 pounds deep, so I'm glad I like it.
Yeah, literally. But anyway, I'm gonna cut filming out here because it is so dark out here.
Yeah.
Honestly, so dark. So, and you probably can barely see me. So anyway, I'll catch you when we're back in the light. Yep. Windows getting ready to be cut out.
See my line.
Yeah. Irrelevant. Just like them windows in a sec. Oh.
You alright?
Man's got.
Wait there. Yeah, go on.
Yo,
Straighten up.
look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Come.
Nah, mate.
No seat on that.
No seat. Look at man.
Come man.
Look at man, low rider or not. Low. Look at him in there. So I'm finishing the video up on my iPhone because battery ran out in the camera and whatnot. It got kind of dark, so I kind of stopped recording, but we got the plastic window, one side anyway, done for Nicho's car. It looks all sweet, so probably crack on with the other side another day, as well as the sunroof, so we'll get that done as well. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Obviously it all helps out, and like the video, share it around and whatnot. And like I say, check out the Instagram. We'll be posting everything on there, so get over there and come talk to us, DM us and message us on the last post and whatnot. We'll try and get back to you.